about the Python advantages, okay, and Python language related points we discussed. Why Python is having demand in the IT industry, what are the features are provided by Python, what are the advantages after learning the Python we are getting. So these all things, what are the job securities there after learning the Python. These all points we discussed in the previous session. So today we will discuss about Python history, guys. One more new topic, Python history we are going to discussing, or else history of the Python language. History of Python language. So here history means who created, when created, where created, when released to public. Like these are some basic points you have to understand. First, author name you have to remember it, guys. Here, when you are attending the interviews, sometimes who created Python programming language, when created, like some basic points they're asking. Okay, no? So Python programming language conceived in the year 1980. Python programming language conceived in the year 1980. Python programming language implementation began in the year 1989 and released to public in the year 1991, guys. Okay, na? So only here released date you have to remember it. Sometimes multiple choice questions asking which year Python released to public, like four options giving. Correct one you have to identify it. 1991 released to public. Okay, so in the year 1980, guys. Check it here. Some points I'll give you. Python programming, Python programming language conceived, conceived in the year 1980s. So conceived means, guys, so some group of people started a discussion about this Python language. We will develop one new language. In that language, a lot of features we will add multiple language related all the popular features. We will merge in one new language. Like that, some team of people discussion started. Okay, and later and implementation, guys. Implementation began. Implementation began in the year 1989, yeah. And later, this Python programming language released to public, officially released, guys, officially released to public, released to public in the year 1991. So these years, remember it. This is important one for multiple choice questions. Python programming language was developed by the Guido van Rossum. Author name also important. Python programming language was developed by the Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum. So he was author, guys. Our author, Guido van Rossum. Okay, Guido van Rossum. He was developed this Python programming language. Means simply he was the captain of this Python programming language. So Guido van Rossum and his team members together developed this Python programming language. Okay, now yes. Next, Guido van Rossum was developed the Python programming language at Mathematical Research Institute called as CWI, which is located at Netherlands. In Netherlands country, one mathematical research institute there that name CWI, Centrum Wiskunde Informatica, one mathematical research institute there. So Guido van Rossum was developed this Python programming language in this institute, guys. Okay, so he was a mathematical research scientist. So he was developed this Python programming language. So where developing these all things are not required. Just you are having that information, that is enough, guys. Okay, he wanted to create a successor. He wanted to create a successor to the ABC programming language that would be easy to read and efficient. So we have one old language called ABC programming language. ABC like Python, Java, .NET. ABC is also one of the programming language. So for this ABC programming language continuation as a new extension part, he wants to develop this Python programming language for easily reading purpose or easily writing purpose, coding for easy to write, easy to read purpose. He wants to develop this new language. Okay, so simply he wanted to create a successor to the ABC programming language, and it would be easy to read and efficient. Okay, the predecessor of the Python programming language is ABC programming language. Predecessor means base language, origin language. From the ABC programming language, this Python programming language was derived. Understanding? So simply here, the predecessor okay, the predecessor of the Python programming language, guys. The predecessor of the Python programming language, or the ABC ABC programming ABC programming language. So from the ABC programming language, Python was derived. So simply Python is a base language. From that Python, see here, this is the ABC is a base language, guys, a parent language. ABC is a parent language. So from this Python was derived, guys. This Python was derived. So this is the predecessor of the programming Python programming language. Predecessor programming language means base language. From this, inspiring and developing this Python. Okay, here some rules and regulations there. Those all rules and regulations are using in this Python, plus some new technologies and new concepts introducing here because of that this Python getting nowadays more demanding. Okay, now this is one point. Yes. Next, here about the Python company, guys. About the Python company, we'll discuss. Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation, simply called as the PSF. This Python Software Foundation was established in the year 2001, guys. Python Software Foundation, Python Software Foundation, PSF, Django related Django Software Foundation, DSF we are calling. So this was established this was established in the year 2001, in the year 2001. Why this one started? Actually in the 1991 only, Guido van Rossum released to public. So that time he was working in, okay, he was worked in the mathematical research institute called as CWI, which is available in the Netherlands country. Okay, now. So later, one company started as a software foundation, Python Software Foundation. This one in 2001 established. Why this one established means to promoting Python programming language, to add new features into the Python programming language. Okay, so like increasing Python related benefits, this organization started, and this is the maintaining Python programming language nowadays. Okay, from 2001 onwards. Simply to promote simply to promote the to promote or protect to promote protect and advance promote promote protect. Where it is heading? Just wait, guys. This is stucking. Just wait. Oh my God. Yes, yes. Can you hear me? Yeah. Suddenly my laptop was restarted. So that's why host permission to the students came, guys. Whenever you received the host permission, again please return back to me the host permission. Okay, now? Madhusmita, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Just you can click on my name, JS Rao Python, and then you can do the permission. Okay, now I'll continue the session. Now check it, guys, here. So we started about the history of the Python language. So here in the 1980s, about the Python programming language discussion started, and in the 1989 implementation began, and in 1991 released to public as a free and open source. As a free and open source means no need to pay any amount to the any company. Freely we can download and we can install it. How to downloading, installing, we'll discuss today. And who developed means Guido van Rossum developed. He was the author of our Python programming language. And next, he was working in the Mathematical Research Institute called as CWI, which is located at Netherlands country. And next, the predecessor of the Python programming language was the ABC programming language. Okay, from this ABC, inspired by this Guido van Rossum and his team members, and developed this Python programming language. And later in 2021, they started Python Software Foundation. Like one company started guys. Python Software Foundation was established in the year 2021. Why they established means to promote guys, to promote, to protect, to protect, and to develop more new futures, more new futures in this more new features into this Python language, into this Python language. Okay, that's why they started this PSF company, Python Software Foundation company. Okay, remember this one. And later one more point here, why our language name, why the Python name, I mean, our author Guido van Rossum, why our language name kept as Python, why not other name? That point also you have to understand. So here, Guido van Rossum, loving one famous British comedy web series movie. The movie name was Monty Python's Circus Flying. One British BBC channel related one comedy web series movie there, more popular one. So Guido van Rossum continuously watching that movie name. So that's why he took Python name from that movie name and kept as our language name. Okay, so he thought like one mysterious name required, short name required, rememberable name required, memorable name required, short name, mysterious name, memorable name. So you want to put as his language. That's why he took a Python name and kept as a language name. Okay, what is the movie name means? Monty Python guys. Monty Python Circus, Circus Flying. So this is the one movie guys. This is the one movie. Okay, movie name. British comedy related movie name, web series movie name. So from this name, he took this Python and kept as our language name. Okay, no? These basic points you have to remember it, guys. So from which movie name kept as our language Python? Okay, sorry, our language name why kept as Python name? Why not other name? Means this point you have to remember and you can explain. And year of releasing also you can remember. And author name you can remember. These are the important points. Okay, na? So the programming language Python is named after the BBC comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus because creator, who is creator Guido van Rossum, okay, thought the name was short, unique, slightly mysterious, and also he was liking this movie more and more. That's why he took this Python and kept as language name this kept as language name. Okay, remember this one. And next, coming to the versions, guys, versions of Python programming language. Versions of Python programming, simply Python language. Versions of the Python language. So what are the versions there? What is the latest version? And industry people used which versions, using which versions. So these all things now we'll discuss. Okay, no? So we have a different versions, guys. So simply Python 1x version, Python 2x version, Python 3x version like that. Okay, Python Python 1x old version, guys. Python 2x also old version, and Python 3x current version. Okay, so 1x means 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like that. Several versions there, guys. Yeah, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, like this. Several versions there. And coming to the two related 2.0, 2.1, 2.2. 2.3 like that up to the 2.7 last version is there, 2.7 2 related, and next 3 related 3.0, 3.1. So like n number of versions there. Right now 3.13 point something version is there, guys. So here, for example, 3.13 point assumption, if 2 is there, so this is we are considering like a major version. This is a minor version. This is a patch version. So no worries about this patch version. Major version and minor version, remember it. Which version of the Python you are using means. So present days people are using 3.13 version. This is the latest version, guys. 3.13 is the latest version. Okay, now. So I'll show you those all things. Check it here. Hmm. Python versions, Python versions in Wikipedia. Okay. So instead of the Python versions of the Python, like you can see guys, he was our author, Guido van Rossum. This person developed this Python programming language. So scroll down here, versions you're going to get. See here, these are the versions there. So 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, like these are 1.6 there up to. So these are all old versions, guys. Many years back used people. Okay, see here in these years 94, 94, 95, 96, 98, like that. And later the two related versions there, guys. In 2000 year, the started this one, 2.1, 2.2, like that. So 2.7 is there up to the lockdown, guys. I mean, before the lockdown, 2019 up to the 2019, 2020. So people used this 2.6 and 2.7 and developed the applications, real-time applications. Okay, in this year, they released these versions. So up to the 2020 supported, guys. Okay, so from lockdown onwards, people used this 3x related versions, guys. And see here that this 3.0, 3.1, this all in 2008 only started, 2008, 9, 11, like that. Every year, new versions released. But up to the 2020, real-time development, people used 2.7. This is the LTS version, long-term support version. Used this one and developed the applications. So real-time people using this one only developing, but parallelly different new versions. Python Software Foundation company started, guys, developed. Okay, so now like see these all with this color. What are the versions there, guys? These all are deprecated versions. Means people are not going to use in the real time. Officially, Python Software Foundation company people only announced don't use these all versions up to the 3.8. So these versions are the industry versions, guys. 3.9 are above versions. Greater than 3.9 versions. Python greater than 3.9 versions are used in the real time. 3.9, 3.10, 3.11, 3.12. These are the real time industry versions. And this is the current version, latest version. This is the latest version. 3.13 is the latest version, guys. Okay, so this one released 2024 October month. 2024 October month, and 3.14. This one planning to release this year October month. 2025 October month. Okay, here 23 October, 22 October, 21 October, 20 October. It means every year October month they are planning to releasing one new version. Every year October month they are planning to release one new version. So right now this is the latest version, Python 3.13. Okay, and here there are some patch versions there. This is the patch version, Python 3.13.4 is the latest version, including patch version. So no worries about the patch version, major and minor versions enough. Remember it. So this is the latest version, 3.13. So in our regular sessions also, latest version only we will use. We will download this latest version, we will use this latest version. And later when you are joining into the company, your management people telling to you which version of Python we are using for our project and all, you can use it. So for example, guys, if you want to put any experience, for example, 3 years experience, 4 years experience, and you are looking for Java, so don't tell I'm using Python 3.13 version in my project like that. From last 3 years onwards, or from last 2 years onwards, you are developing one project, you are working on one project. So then that time you can tell about 3.12, 3.11, like these versions you can tell it. Okay, based on your project duration, based on your experience. Okay, so which version of Python you are using? If anyone asking 3.11, I'm using 3.10, I'm using, I use it in my project. Okay, previously I used 3.10 version. Currently now I'm using this 3.12 version in my project. Like that, you can explain it. Always don't tell this 3.13, or else tomorrow you are attending interview, which version Python you are using. If anyone asking 3.14 I'm using, like don't tell it. This is not at released. This year, October month, they are planning to release. Okay, next year, 3.15, they are planning to release. So here, some team group of people working in this version, some more people working in this version, some people working here, like that, different group of teams. There is a group of members there as a teams. So each team developing one new versions is, with the new features. So huge community there, guys. Huge community there. So many employees openly they are contributing their own time for developing new features into the Python. For example, you are having good coding skills, guys. Like a scientist level, you are having good coding skills. So you can develop one new feature in Python, and that feature you can distribute to this Python Software Foundation. So this Python Software Foundation people testing your new feature. If it is workable, then adding that feature into new Python version and releasing to public. Like that, openly use members contributing and developing new features into the Python. All of you clear this one? This is about the history related. So which one is the latest version? 3.13 is the latest version. In this 3.13.4 latest version, this one latest version. Just you can remember this one 3.13. Industry versions are 3.9 to 3.12. These are the industry versions. Okay. So Python latest version, guys. Python latest version. So 3.13, this version, remember, and industry versions, guys. Industry versions. What are the industry versions? Greater than, simply here, guys, greater than 3.9, greater than 3.9, or else simply you can write 3.9, 3.10, and 3.11, and 3.12. These are the industry versions. Okay, so we can download latest version and we can use this version for developing coding, for learning coding. Clear this one, guys? And Python is a free and open source language, I said. Python is a free and open source language. So free means freely we can download and we can install it. So open this browser. Simply here only I'm using Python, python.org. This is the official website, guys, for Python related. Python.org, Python organization meaning. So this is the Python website, the official website, this one. And now here, PSF means the Python Software Foundation, company name, PSF. And PYPI means a Python Package Index. Coming days, you will understand about this one. I'll let you know. It is a very important for developing the third-party modules which are available in the internet. This all later we'll discuss this here. So PYPI, Python Package Index. So here the documentation related you are getting, okay, lot of things there. When you have free time, you can check it, this one. So scroll down here, the, okay, so latest new versions related, features related there. So like this is a website, guys. Okay, okay, now here click on these downloads, guys. Click on this downloads. So when you are clicking download, see here, this is the latest version, 3.13.4. This is the patch version, latest patch version 4. Okay, 3.13.4. So if you are clicking on this download button, then you are getting like this. If you are using Windows OS, then directly coming like this. If you are using Linux, you can select here. If you are using any other OSs, you can select a particular one, Mac OS or other OSs. So I'm using Windows platform, that's why directly showing to me like this. So here the download button is there. You can click on this download button. Okay, this latest version 3.13.4 going to downloading. Understanding? So click on this button, guys. When we are clicking here, so one download option there, guys. Okay, here in downloadable folder, your Python software coming. Python.exe file is there. This is the downloadable file. It's a matter of 2 minutes or 1 minute downloading, guys. So after downloading, go to the downloadable folder location, double click on that file and follow next some screens. Okay, na? So downloading and installation process, these all things are taking time less than 5 minutes only. Less than 5 minutes only. So you can do it, guys. This is all downloading and installation related. Okay. So right now I'm using this latest version only. So after your session, immediately I have other session and Django project batch going on right now. If I'm changing version and all, those Django projects are getting some problems. So again, I need to spend more time. Okay, time wasting for me. So that's why I'm not going to installing. Just you can download and you can install 100%. You are going to installing successfully without any problem. And also I will upload today one material in the Ashok IT portal. From there you can see it how to downloading, installing. At the time of installation, what are the screens coming? Every screen you will see in the portal, guys, in my material. Okay, na? Or else here I don't know how to installing. So simply here you can type here Python installation, Python installation steps, Python installation steps, like I'm typing. So many links coming, guys. So many links coming. Whatever you want, you can use that. Any one link, guys. Number of links coming. So 2-3 links you can open. Okay, I'm opening this one. I'm opening this one. Okay, like that. 2-3 links you can open, guys. Then you will understanding screens. Somewhere you are feeling like, okay, this is a better looking there, like that. Okay, now here, so scroll down here. Yes, like this there, guys. So first you're going to downloading Windows related 64-bit format. Simply from the official website you are downloading. So here you are downloading by clicking this one. Then based on your system, automatically downloading, guys. So later after downloading, go to the downloadable folder location and double click on that. See here running the executable installer. So when we are downloading like .exe file coming, go there and double click on there. Okay. So then first time like this showing, guys. First time like this showing. So this screen showing as the first time when you are double click on that executable file, first time showing like that. So here bottom side 2 checkboxes there. So select these checkboxes. Automatically Python path also adding, guys. Automatically Python path also adding when we are installing any software where that software is there in environment variable section, we have to add that path. So without adding explicitly, automatically adding Python path. If you are forgetting to click this one, no worries. After installation also we can add Python path. Okay, now? And this is admin privilege, admin permissions asking. So you can click this one, no worries. For some people only this one asking, for some people both asking. So if any checkbox are there, you can select. And later, so you can click on this one, install now. Don't select this one. If you are having good experience on Python, then what are the Python features you want to, what features you don't want, like you can select by clicking this one. So right now we don't know about the Python. That's why default installation, you can select default installation. So here default installation means where Python software is going to installing, the path showing. C drive in your laptop or in your computer, C drive users, your username here randomly, your username coming. If your name is Ramu, then C drive users Ramu, like that. In that Ramu folder, app data like one folder is there. In that app data folder local, inside that programs folder, inside that Python, inside that what Python version you are installing, that version related coming. So right now we are installing which version? Python 13. Then Python 3.13, like that showing number. Okay. So this is the path, guys. Python software where install, like you can understanding. So later I'll show you this one. This is a hidden folder. App data by default you are unable to see in your name folder. See users, username there. Inside that, this is not showing by default. This is a hidden folder. we can enable it explicitly, then we are able to see how to enabling and all. I will show you, just wait. So whenever you are installing, it includes ideally, this is one tool guys, Python, with this symbol you are going to get ideally tool, ideally integrated development language environment, integrated development language environment, like one ideally tool, Python tool automatically coming. Using that tool, we can develop the Python related coding. Okay, we can learn the Python related concepts. Some days later, real time ID is there. ID is there, guys. Like VS Code, Visual Code Studio there, the PyCharm is there, Sublime Text, Eclipse, like so many are there. Whatever we want, we can use it. Next, pip. This is one important command in Python, very, very important. So more clearly, we will discuss in the coming sessions. Pip means a Python installer package. So in internet, a lot of Python-based packages there. For example, NumPy, Pandas, Django, Flask. So many Python-based modules there. These modules, if we want to install and if we want to use it using this pip command, we are going to downloading. So how to downloading and all later we will discuss. And next, Python documentation also providing us official documentation also you will receive. And if you are opening the documentation and if you are trying to reading, getting a lot of confusions, as a learner, guys, initial stage as a beginner, you are not going to understanding this official documentation. Why means some lines they are explaining and the links they are providing. If you are clicking this link, jumping to somewhere, there again link is there. By clicking that, jumping somewhere like that. So different confusions there, guys. Okay, now hope all of you understanding. So simply download it, executable file coming, double click on that first screen like this showing, first screen like this showing, and click on this one. Before clicking that, select these checkboxes. That is the point right now. You have to remember it. And next, if you are selecting this customize location, what features you want, what features you don't want, like that, showing to you guys. So like this. So documentation automatically coming because of selecting like this, pip automatically coming, and ideally also automatically coming, Python test shoot automatically coming, PyLauncher coming. These all are internal features. Okay, and again click this next button, and one more screen showing. So here what you want, what you don't want, you can select. So right now each feature behavior you don't know, that's why don't select this bottom one. So you have to select this first one only. If you are selecting first one, this screen is not displaying to you. Okay, directly install there, click on this install. So like this installation process going on, I mean, so installation process like this loading as sometime after installation completing, then setup was successful like that coming. So this entire matter is less than 5 minutes, you can do it, guys. Downloading and installation is a matter of 5 minutes. Clear everyone so far? This clear up to here? Downloading and installation. Try to do today. If you're having any queries, so later session, let me know. After downloading and installing, adding Python to the environment variables. How to adding Python path, that is also you have to understand. I will let you know that. See here the multiple screens, so you can open like I said. So if you are scrolling down here, in this, yes, here screens there, guys. See here. See, you are downloading. See, this is the official website. Here you are clicking on downloading, and first time coming like this, you can select these checkboxes, and this first one you can click. When you are clicking this first one, here showing bottom one related, you can click on this first one. Bottom one, if you are selecting like this options there, whatever you want, you can click it. Setup was successful coming. And later adding Python path, this is important. We'll add it this one later. Okay, right now you can see after downloading and installation, guys, see here, download and install Python software. Download and install the Python software related we are discussing. So after download after download and installation of the Python, after download and installation of the Python, then we are getting some files, guys. Then we are getting, for example, then we are getting one IDLE tool, one Python console tool, and one documentation we are getting, guys. Then we are getting something in our system. Okay, something we are getting in our system. What are those means? So one is Python IDLE we are getting Python IDLE software, and one more is a Python interactive console. Okay, Python console screen, guys. Interactive console screen. For example, interactive console screen we are getting, and one more is documentation we are getting, guys. So now check it here. After downloading and installation of the Python, in the start menu, Python, like you can type it, Python, you can type it. So here the IDLE is there, and this one there, guys, Python black screen, and this is a documentation related. These things you are getting. So first of all, Python, this block one I'm going to use. See, this is you are getting by default along with installation. So I'm using here Python 3.2 patch version, guys. The latest one 4 is there. Okay, so Python prompt like this, triple greater than symbol is there. This is a Python related prompt. So here we can type the Python coding. Small testings we can do, guys. Python related. For example, I want print hello message. Then immediately it is executing printing. Okay, so a equal to 10, storing the 10 value into a, and then we can print this 1. Okay, and in this console, guys, this is a Python console. Without print also we can print. Directly we are getting the value. Okay, now print we can use, or without print also we can use. Okay, this is just for the practice purpose only, basic testing purpose only we can use. For developing the real-time kind of program, this we are not going to use. And also for practice purpose also, more lines of code at a time if you want to write, for example, line 1, line 2, line 3, like that. 20 lines code I want to write at a time, and I want to execute these all 20 lines at a time. So here each line immediately executing. After typing one line, when we are pressing enter, immediately this line executing. Okay, line after line only possibility there here execution. This is called interpreted language. This is the behavior of interpreted language. So more lines code at a time if we want to write many lines of code and executing at a time. So this is not suitable. That's why we are going for other alternative. This is just for the basic testing purpose only. So I don't want to use this one. And next I want to use another one. IDLE also coming, I said, click on this. So this is with the white screen coming, big size coming, you can drag like this. Okay, how much size you want. So if you want like this, left dragging, this all you can do here. See, guys, here also same like this, you're getting triple gradient symbol. Okay, this is a Python prompt related. So same like here also we can do small Python testing. For example, welcome you're getting, welcome immediately printing. Okay, now so now here the 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 30 result automatically getting. Okay, without print also you will get it up. So here also small testings only we can do. If we want to write many lines code at a time, here the some options there, guys. Some menus there here. We can use these menus. So here no menus there here. Okay, that's why we are not going to use this one. Simply close that. This is we are going to use. Okay, now. Okay, first Python program, how to creating, how to executing, I'll let you know, guys, right now. And later Python path, how we are setting, Python path setup, how we are doing, I'll let you know. Okay, so now here file is there. You can click on this file, and like this coming, and a new file is there. Control N is the shortcut. Okay, already available Python file. If you want to open this one, open or control O, and if you want to save, control S, like that, some shortcuts there. Click on the file, click on the new file, like this one, notepad file. Python based notepad file you are getting guys. Okay, here the size reduce. This is the Python based notepad file. So here n number of lines of code we can write, and the untitled means not at a saved. So for example, you can see here print line 1. Next one more line, print line 2. Okay, next one more line, print line 3. Okay, like many lines I created guys. Many lines I created. 3 lines I created. But here each line immediately executing. If you want to write like this, many lines code. So first this line, immediately executing this one. Okay, and next the same line one more time. I'm writing with the message 2, then immediately executing. Okay, next here the 3 executing. So I don't want to do like this. At a time, I want to create many lines of code and I want to execute a single time. So now 3 lines code I created. Untitled is there. You have to save it. Then title, file name coming. So how to saving? Click on the file. Click on the save. Control yes. So now it is asking the Python software location. Don't save here. Don't save here, guys. In Python software location, don't save it. Don't disturb these files. Choose one folder where you want to save it. There you can create it. For example, in this computer, in this computer AIT3, AIT3 like I'm writing. So in this folder, I want to create guys. In D drive, I created AIT3 folder, Ashoka IT3 folder. So now here I want to create my file. I want to save it my file. So now here enter your file name. This is the first file guys, so just like a demo I'm giving. Any file name .py extension you can use. Any file name .py extension. And save as a type, what is there? Python file only. It means extension if you are not giving also automatically adding Python extension only. So demo.py given, click here, save it. So then saved. In D drive, AIT3 folder is there demo.py file saved. This is the path. Okay, now after saving, I want to execute this one. Then here run is there guys. Click on this run and here run module, F5 shortcut is there. So click on this run module. Then output you are getting. Line 1, line 2, line 3. So this is your coding area guys. And this is your output area. Okay, so here one more line I'm going to add line for save it. See here star symbol is there means not at a saved. Control yes saved, or else here file click and save. Okay, or else simply control yes saving. After saving no star symbol is there, and then here run and run module, output you are getting. Are you clear this one? Okay, today my execution completed. I closed this ideally. Tomorrow I want to use this same file. The same file I want to use tomorrow, guys. Then how we are using, how we are using. Okay, so open this ideally. Open this ideally. Again, here is the, can open like that. So Python file extension is a .py extension, remember. Okay, now here click on the file, click on this open. So choose your folder. By default, Python software look. Select this, click open, or else double click here, no problem. So like this, get in. And now here, new lines of code. What you want, you can write. What you want, you can write here. Welcome, welcome, like we are writing. And then save it. And F5 shortcut button, you can execute, you will get it. Are you clear? This is using ideally how we are executing. Clicking this one and ideally we are clicking as some. Okay. So I mean run model. So where we saved actually. So open your location here in this, I mean this file location. our file location. So here you can type this word. So before executing this command, where this file is available, that path we have to open here. Okay, using command prompt, if you want to execute, this is the command. And we are using regularly IDLE tool. So in this IDLE tool, we have a run module like this. Okay, now? So remember guys, these things. This is for today's session. In downloading, installing Python software, and first Python program created and executed. Okay, na? So later, Monday session, Python path, how we are adding to the environment variables. Okay, I will let you know guys more clearly again. Path setup is very, very important as a Python learner. Okay, na? These things we'll discuss in the next session. Mansa Sai, yes, we can use VS Code, but starting days for learning purpose, some days I'm going to use this ideally only. Okay, na? After understanding Python related some basic concepts and all, when coming to the advanced concept, then that real-time tools we can use it. If you want day one onwards, if you are having already knowledge with VS Code or any other tools, you can use those things. That is your wish. Got it? Yes. I'll stop this recording. I'll interact with you. If you are having any queries, you can let me know. Or if you are having any other session, you can leave it session. Thank you.
Recording stopped.
And guys, one more information. So in Ashok IT portal, I'm uploading this material today, downloading and installation related material. Up to the last session, whatever we discussed, uploaded, and syllabus content also uploaded in Ashok IT portal. You can download those things and save in your laptop in one folder. And after some session completing, again, don't ask me. So I'm getting hundreds of messages from the students. So right now, 6 to 7, I'm in this class, guys. So from unknown numbers, almost the students only calling. So almost 7 calls I got right now. Okay, whenever they are having doubts, session joining related and all, directly they are calling to me. So if I'm in the class, how can I answer those people? So if you are having any queries related to joining the session and all, you can contact the office team. When you are doing practice, if you are having doubts and all, you can share in the WhatsApp group. I'll let you know. Okay. And one more point, due to some power loss or some any other issues, guys, sometimes a host permission to me removed and okay, given to the some students. So later immediately you can return back that host permission to me. Then without wasting time, we can continue this session. Or else I have to call to the office people and again office people joining to the laptop and they are sharing host permission to me. Okay, now? Yeah. Do you have any queries?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you.